Welcome, Capricorn, to Madam K's Tarot. I am doing, first we're going to look at money, then we're going to look at love, and then we're going to get advice. So we're going to use the Zombie Tarot for love and the Light Seers Tarot for money. Okay? So if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you could, hit that like button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, I pull in Capricorn's energy into my reading of my subscribers. Money, Capricorn. Oh, what I got in my nail? I was up by the cats, sorry. Well, all right. So you're waiting on something, Capricorn. 3 of Wands. Waiting for your ships to come in. Judgment. It's like rising up. It's connecting to the divine, whoever that is to you. Temperance. Balancing out some situation, some financial situation that you've been waiting on. So if you missed an opportunity before, the chance is coming back around for reconciliation with this balance. It's just an equal flow. Temperance is that of bringing in balance. We have more information on money for Capricorn. The wheel. That's karma, fate, timing. Something came to an end, so something new can begin. So something about timing in your life, in your financial situation, job, I don't know what it is. But there's divine timing at work that it came to an end. So let's see what comes in. The Page of Cups was, or Knight of Cups was at the bottom. Tower. What comes after the Tower? You're waiting for something. So, rushing in, holy cow. So now your plate is really full. You're rushing into something. Walking a tight wire, reading this book. You got all these ideas going around. You got all these new plans that you have in the making. But it's a rushing in energy into a new beginning. Wow, that's a lot. Why is the Page of Swords here? Page of Swords, please. Can I have a clarifier for the Page of Swords? For money? I thought one. Oh. Okay, so bottom of the deck is the Star, the Fool, and the Star. There's just a lot going on here, and it's like jumping in blindly. It's a new leap of faith into whatever it is that you've been wishing for, what you want. So, is there a new job opportunity for you? Is what I would take it. That maybe takes away some of all this walking of the tightrope and being on edge. It's a balanced, wow, it's a very balanced, fruitful, financially rewarding situation. You just got to be willing to jump into it. It is wish fulfillment. All right, Capricorn, so let's look at love, shall we? Nice. All right, Capricorn, for love. Love. I would like a cut first. I would like a cut, please. No, I want a cut. Are you gaining a new perspective? Are you going over your life? Lost your tongue? Love. All right. This is a big deck, and it likes to give me a hard time. Such is life, right? All right. Love for Capricorn. Three of Wands. You feel like busting down the door because you don't know what's going on inside. You want balance. You want justice in your relationship. Hierophant. High Priest, whatever you want to call him. Pope. It's about relationships. Wanting balance. So I don't know. It's like in your mind, there's all this partying and chaos and having a good time without you. And here you come. You're going to bust down the doors and see what's going on. Capricorn. Wanting balance. Over. Not over, but it's you needing balance within a very strong connection. This is about relationships. Could be relationship with God, could be relationship with another person, but I'm taking it as another person because we're talking about love, and in your mind you got something going on. Six of Swords. So that's the energy of wanting to move forward, leaving the past behind, and a new start, moving forward, new opportunities. But then the Seven of Cups, what are you going to move forward into? It's like, oh my God, what if it goes bad? What if it goes good? But there's choices, there's options. Is this where I want to put my energy? I got all this focus on this new opportunity over here with work, and money, and gaining more money. And I know Capricorns are very, very focused on their money. So then we have the Six of Hazards. Oh, that's pretty deep there, Capricorn. So in the energy of moving forward, there's like all this illusion, chaos. It's like dream state of this and that, and being tied down, and being pretty much a slave to yeah, being a slave to whoever you don't want to be tied down with. It's like being tied down, being lured. It's deceitful though. Interesting energy, Capricorn. All right, let's get some advice, shall we? Let's get some advice about this situation. Because this would be Six of Pentacles. This is about balance again, you know? There needs to be a balance somewhere. King of Swords, all in your head. Very defensive. Two of Swords, feeling like you're forced to make a choice here. Because you're on the defense. Again, on the defense. All in your head. Holy cow, Capricorn. Four of Hazards. Nope, can't hear you. I'm ignoring you. Can't make me make a choice. I ain't gonna see. I ain't gonna see. All I see is that this might be bad. If I move forward, I need to hide. I'm not going to share anything I have. It's all mine. I've worked for it. I'm going to protect it at all cost. And then here you sit alone, grieving the past. Can't move forward because this past is all right here. It's something you lost that just says, I just can't move forward into this. But boy, there's something over here that sure got my curiosity stirred up, and underlying issues is I just want to bust the door down and gain balance in this relationship. But boy, over here I got all this. If I move forward into this, it just might go really bad. One last card, one last message for Capricorn, please. 12:12 on the timer when I looked up. The Sun. Judgment. Judgment in this. Oh my God. Capricorn. Judgment, the Sun, and Temperance. The Sun is the best card in the deck. The helicopter is going to come save you. You don't have to worry about being stuck on this building and the zombies getting you. The help is on the way. Everything's going to be okay. It's reconciliation and balancing out this new beginning, this new opportunity. Lay down your heavy burden. It's just laying down the burden. You know, maybe it's time to take some of these defenses down. That's what I got for you, Capricorn. Hey, happy holidays. If you could, if you're still here, please hit the like button. I do appreciate you being here. I send blessings to you. Not for what you want, but for what you need in your life right now.